Good afternoon, everybody. Let me introduce my name, Dini Almanavia, and our team, Adi Widjoswardi and Nur Aini from Samudra University, Langsa, Aceh, Indonesia. In this opportunity, I would like to present our research with the title, The Importance of Tropical Edible Fruit Plants for Tribal Communities in East Aceh region, Indonesia. More than 700 edible fruits are known to grow in the humid tropics, and therefore more than 100 of them have been cultivated by local people. Approximately 30 tropical fruits have a high economic value and are the best fruits that are commercially marketed throughout the world. The home garden is commonly viewed as a land use system involving the intentional management of multi-purpose trees and shrubs and rich in biodiversity, including wild and cultivated plants. The rural communities in the East Aceh region contain large home gardens planted with various vegetables, fruits, and tubers. Fruit plants, however, are rich in nutrition to ensure food quality and diversity, and can also provide household incomes. This study aims to assess the contribution of the tropical edible fruit plants for the tribal communities in East Aceh region, Indonesia. Material and methods. The plant materials were randomly gathered from two districts in East Aceh, Indonesia, namely Penarun, Arul Pinang and Penarun Baru village, and Madat and Paya Demampet village. The samples of plants were collected in the home garden along with reporting their vernacular name, the number of species and use. A total of 80 respondents were surveyed using a questionnaire selected by simple random sampling. Data analysis from frequency index and diversity index. Results and discussions. Floristic composition of fruit plant species. A total of 32 fruit plant species represented by 23 genera and 19 families were recorded at the four villages. A common plant family that includes more edible plant species is Myrtaceae, Psidium guajava, Syzygium aqueum, Syzygium malacins, and Syzygium semarangens, and Rutaceae, Citrus aurantifolia, Citrus hystrix, Citrus lemon, and Citrus maxima. The highest number of fruit plant species is with 26 species in Arul Pinang village, followed by 23 species in Paya Demampet and 20 species in Madat and Penarun Baru village. Frequency of fruit tree species. Fruit plants grown in gardens typically differ widely depending on needs. The fruit plants which were found most frequently were 16 productive fruit plant species. Based on the frequency value reported at the research site, it showed that Mangifera indica has the highest quotation frequency value of 80 until 90% at all locations. The most favorite in home gardens is fruit plants and vegetables that provide a source of food. Garden fruit plants have many advantages, including as a shade tree, ornamental plants, a source of nutrition for the family, and have a social role as they can share with the local community once harvested. Fruit plant species diversity. In Paya Demampet, the highest diversity of fruit was in comparison with the other three locations. Based on the Shannon Diversity Index, plants in home garden in all villages have H values between 2.37 and 3.53 respectively. It shows the index of diversity of fruit plant species of the area was graded as medium to high. Contribution of fruit plant species to livelihood for the household. The people grow these fruit plants for their consumption in order to meet household nutritional needs. These fruits, in addition to being used as food, fruit plant species are also used as medicine, 9 species, spices and condiment, 5 species, firewood, 5 species, fodder, 3 species, and the household item, 3 species. Table 3. Traditionally, as many as 48% of respondents use several species as medicine. For example, Ananas commusus as treatment of digestive problems, and Averrhoa bilimbi and Citrus aurantifolia for the third cook. The findings of this study show the importance of fruit plants' role in supporting household livelihoods in different ways, including food supplies, medicines, animal feed, firewood, and household goods. Due to the high production and diversity of edible cultivated species, home gardens can also make a significant contribution to food supply, tribal economy, and regenerate degraded land, especially for rural communities. In addition, in this report, the considerable potential for enhancing food security and providing a contribution to household income needs to be supported by proper home garden management. Furthermore, the integration of scientific management into indigenous knowledge in its Aceh district can promote rural agriculture. That's our presentation. Thank you for your attention.